How can I set up parental controls on my child's device?
Hello, and welcome to this guide on how to set up parental controls on your child's device. Parental controls are essential tools that allow you to create a safe online environment for your child. They let you manage what your child can see and do on their device. Today, we'll be showing you how to set these up, so you can have peace of mind when your child is using their device.
What are parental controls?
Parental controls are software and tools which allow parents to set controls on their child's internet use. They can help protect children from inappropriate content and manage their screen time. They are useful for setting up safe search filters, limiting screen time, managing app use, and tracking location.
Setting up parental controls on Android.
If your child uses an Android device, you can set up parental controls via Google's Family Link app. Follow these steps. 1. Download the Google Family Link for Parents app on your device. 2. Open the app and create a Google account for your child. 3. On your child's device, sign in with this newly created account. 4. Follow the instructions to set up the device and apply desired parental controls.
Setting up parental controls on iOS.
For children using iOS devices like an iPhone or iPad, you can use Apple's Screen Time feature to manage parental controls. Here is how you can do it. 1. Go to Settings and then Screen Time. 2. Tap on Turn on Screen Time if it's not already enabled. 3. Tap Continue and then choose This is my child's device. 4. Follow the prompts to set up desired controls.
Setting up parental controls on Windows.
If your child uses a Windows computer, you can set parental controls through Microsoft's Family Safety features. Here's how. 1. Go to Settings, Accounts, Family and Other Users. 2. Click on Add a Family Member and create an account for your child. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize the parental controls for this account. Parental controls are a powerful tool in ensuring your child's online safety. By taking the time to understand and set these up, you can create a secure digital environment for your child. We hope this guide has been helpful in setting up parental controls on your child's device. Stay safe and happy browsing!